Well, we've got a bloody a water leak behind the wall, getting worse and worse. And there it is. It is outside the laundry tubs. So I had to actually carve in and chop out a lump of this old bloody cladding. And would you believe, it's just a bloody hole in this pipe. So, yeah, all the troubles we've had in this house with plumbing, bloody crap workmanship. Look at that shit there. Anyway, I'm taking the easier way out and I'm just going to put a sleeve over it for now.
Where is that? So we'll see how fast the meter will move
Yeah, okay.
to save you money. Fix that one. I'll go on the other side. Wait there. No. Taran. Pretty fast. So we need to shut this off. Okay, completely off. So let's get back there. Oh my god. So I fixed it. Stop. So what you doing now?
Well,
What kind of glue you gonna put in there?
these are just, actually probably would be, have we got any Celastic or is it?
Elastic. Yeah.
No?
That's just your Teflon.
Yeah, well, we got nothing else. Oh, you bastard. What happened to it? What happened?
It's injured.
Huh?
I said it's injured. Put some.
Right.
So that's a bit of a pipe there.
Yeah, okay.
A hose. A plastic hose. And then a clamp.
I'm going to put one clamp right over the, you know what I need. I really need the screwdriver, don't I? Okay, now that's about it. Oops.
That's what you call the three sister fix.
What?
Three sister fix. We have three clamp there. Let's see if they can
Oh,
hold.
I think I stripped that. Oh, shit.
Okay.
One's right over the thing on each side. I don't know if that'll work.
So
Um,
you continue
Yeah.
filming this, and then I'll turn it on there, okay?
Okay.
And I'll go here.
Okay. Well, this is a temporary permanent fix. Oh, stop! 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 Off! Well, that didn't work. This one here.
Just remove it, lock. Doesn't look like it's working with that Teflon tape and
Well, the
Extra
Teflon was
bit.
just a sort of a sealant. I was trying to. Oh, I get a strong clamp.
because if you properly repair this, you're gonna remove this one right up there, and from here, this T here, T corner going to there, because that's the top inside. That's the top here, the cold one. So that's a bigger clamp there.
Well, the thing is, it's have you got the?
Huh?
Oh, just what I've. The whole idea of this is. Funny, I could bloody. This one, this is wider.
Uh-huh.
So I'm gonna. Oh. I'll do it by hand, so I don't strip it like I did last time. Do you want me to film while you get it turned on?
Okay.
All right. There's a last desperate attempt at this method. Typically it's the weekend, so we can always go to Bunnings and get something if I knew what I needed to buy. Okay.
The meter is not moving.
Okay, well, look, the water's on, the meter's not moving, and this is doovering.
Butcher.
It's not leaking, so.
So that's a bush fix.
A bush fix.
Yeah. A bush fix and a butcher prick. A butcher. You see, you butchered that thing.
Yeah.
You cut too much out of it, but it's alright. Okay, so what
So what I'm going to do, I'll take these ones off. And I'll put some broad ones around there too, because
Okay.
with the passage of time, it probably want to seep out.
Yeah. Alright.
Let me-
So that's the only tools we have.
Oh shit! Look,
The Teflon,
did you get that down
the
there?
bit of
Did you see that down
old pipe, old hose, plastic pipe, and a clamp. So it will do the job for a meantime. So we have an assortment there.
there? Yeah, cool. That,
Okay, let's
And
get back to
I
the
might,
job.
I might get one of these. Did you get that other one out there?
Yeah, it's already here.
Okay.
You can drop another one in there. I can pick it up.
Later. Don't want to rush into these things. Okay. Oh, you didn't take these off. That's why I loosened them up. I thought you could take them off and thread them back together. See that?
Starting to leak.
It's
Yeah, I need more clamps in there to help the big one out.
this the one.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. Right, I'll put it fairly
Close.
close. Well, we can monitor that, see how it goes.
Yeah.
There's no one to work with the cladding back on, so.
Nah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So that's it for now. We'll wait for another disaster and then fixed again.
Yeah, we'll come back next Christmas.
Maybe later on. Every day is Christmas here. Too many junks to fix. Okay, ding ding, subscribe, dung dungs.
All right, you're going to put all this shit out in that cabinet?
Okay.